Hello and welcome to Drupal tutorials. In this session, we are going to discuss about blocks and regions of Drupal. In this chapter, we will study about Drupal blocks and regions. Blocks are container objects that are used to organize your content of your website. It can be displayed in the regions of your web page. So let's get started with blocks and regions. So here I'm going to tell you some simple steps for creating Drupal blocks. Here go to the structure and you see blocks option here and click on blocks. That will take you to an option add block. When you click that add block option here, that will take you to the page where you can create a new custom block as shown here. Okay, let's create a block now. So to create a block, we need to give a block title. Say block 1 and block description is my first block. And in the block body, I'm going to paste some dummy text there. I guess you guys know what is a dummy text. That a text means nothing. Okay. Yes. And so this is the block body and text format. Next option is text format. What is this text format? Like you want to put a plain text or full HTML or filtered HTML. So default option is filtered HTML. Leave it to that. So the CMS will process the text that you put there with the HTML tags and gives you the output. So, and the next option is region settings. Region settings. In the region settings, we are currently using a battery theme. That is a default theme that we have here. So where do you want to put this content? That is the question. So here you can choose the region. Where do you want to put? Like if you want to put this block in header or help or highlighted, where, so I'm going to put this in sidebar first. And the next options are visibility settings. This is like we have like 4 different kinds of visibility settings here. The first one is pages. Like all pages exist, those listed. Like it doesn't matter in which page you are, this block is gonna display, or only listed pages. So if you want to display this block only listed pages, like if you want to display this page in only home, so you can select it here. But I want to display this block in every page, so I'm leaving it. And then content type. So content type allows to display the blocks in a specific content or article or a basic page. So if you click the article, so that's gonna display with the articles, or if you click the basic page, that's gonna display the basic page. And then roles display the blocks for a specific type of users, like anonymous users, authenticated users, administrated users. Like if you want to show this block for only anonymous users, you click here, or you can show it for like only 2, or it's not going to show in the administrator. But yeah, you can make your choice. If you uncheck, it will be shown to everybody. And last option is users. This option allows each user to customize the visibility of block in their settings. So let us make it non-customizable. So we don't let the users to customize the block. So say save block. So the block has been created here. So just close it, and when you refresh it, you can see the block is displayed here in this region because sidebar top, that's what we selected here. So this is how we create blocks in Drupal. And we select the regions for those blocks. And our next topic for the day is themes and layouts. In this chapter, let us study about the themes and layouts. Drupal will install Patrick theme as a default theme during the installation. You can select paid or free themes from Drupal official site. In general, layout is an arrangement of a text and graphics. It is good though to choose a theme, keeping what different layouts to use on your site. Okay, go to Drupal.org. In Drupal.org, click download and extend, and when you go bit down there, and you see an option called themes, and in themes, if you scroll it down, and you see all the available free themes for your website. Here it is showing like 2361 themes match your search. So here we are going to pick one theme, and we'll see how to install a theme in your website. They have like Bootstrap 3, Zen, and Omega 5, and okay, let's try this adaptive theme. And when you finish the installation of theme, go to Appearance, and when you scroll it down, you see your adaptive theme in disable theme, that the newly installed theme here, and you press enable here. It may take few seconds to load the theme. Yes, the theme, the AT admin theme has been enabled. When you close this themes button, the page will reload, And I will tell you one more way to install the theme. You can download the zip file instead of copying the link. Previously we right click on this download button and we copied the link address. But the one more way is you click on it and you can download the zip file. Like I'm downloading it to desktop and it is downloading. So the theme is downloaded to my desktop, and here this adaptive theme I'm going to extract it here, and I will, yeah, it's an adaptive theme, and copy the theme, then go to C colon XAMPP, I mean our local server, and htdocs in the local server. Here our site Drupal underscore new, this is the site folder. Open it and you go there. You can see a themes option here. No, not the themes option. Just go back. Is sites here, and you click it. You see all sites here. In the all sites, you see an option themes, and the theme that we installed there, it's already here. If you don't want to install theme by copy pasting the link in the install new theme option, you can directly copy this folder to here and the theme will get automatically installed. And here we install a new theme, but still you can see the old theme is showing up. So why is that? We enabled the theme, we installed the theme, we enabled it, but the theme is enabled here, but we need to set it as a default theme. You just click here to set it as a default theme. So yes, the AT admin theme is now a default theme. When you close it, you'll see the site is reloaded now and the UI, that means user interface, is changed. And now we see the settings available in this newly installed theme. To do that, go to appearance again, and here the first theme is a, always default theme will be on the first option. Like we have this adaptive admin theme as a default theme, and we have an option called settings here. When you click the settings, you get the layout and general settings option. In this adaptive theme, consists of a standard layout, tablet layout, small touch layout, and panels and G panels. These options control the display settings of the current AT admin theme that is already in use. When your site displays the theme, these settings will be used. Let us discuss these layouts one by one. In the standard layout option, you can choose like a standard layout by choosing choose sidebar options. Here we have a radio option. You can choose the sidebar position by clicking on radio button. Here in this option we have two sidebars and main bar here, and here two sidebars on the left side and the main panel, and here the main panel is on the left side and two sidebars in the left side. If you want, you can choose this or this. I'm going with the default one here. And the next option is set the width of each sidebar. You can set width of the first sidebar and the second sidebar and unit in percentage or pixels or em. Like you can choose the unit here, it's in the pixel, or you can choose the percentage or em. So first sidebar is 180 pixels and second sidebar is 180 pixels, or you can choose it like percentage, let's say 20 percentage of first sidebar and 20% of second sidebar, and the rest is 60% will stay in the middle. Or you can say 25 is the first sidebar, 25 is the second sidebar. And the next option is setting the width of the page, because here the unit is like percentage, because you always want your page to display like 100%, or you can make it to 80% or 70% or 50%. So then the screen will get smaller by width. So but we always display our page like 100% to the screen size, so it is always suggested to leave it to 100%. And in the next option you can set the maximum width. So this screen can go until maximum width of 1330 pixels, as it is mentioned here. Or you can uncheck the box that can go to the like unlimited width, but 1330 is the recommended size for this particular theme. And the next option is media query. For this layout, media query defines the different style rules for the different media devices. By default for this layout will be 1025 pixels. So these are the settings of this theme for the standard layout. So, and we have a tablet layout. If you are using a tab, and then you can change the settings here if it is a tab. So because most of the sites load the same in desktop or laptop or tablet or mobile, because they are not responsive. But this theme is based on the user's device. So if the user is browsing this particular website in a tablet, then we have set up different settings. One is the user is using a mobile phone, then we have a different settings here. And this theme offers you like a lot of options when you're using uh, a lot of display options when you're dealing, like like if you're using a tablet layout, you can change it, like like for portrait you can change the layout. And see, yeah, we have different settings for portrait tablet here. If it is a landscape, we have different, and you can always customize this. You got plenty of options to give the more options. G channel, G channel settings, and drop it. CSS, you can write your own CSS if you are really good at CSS, and like that. So remember to save configuration. Close it will reload and so this is basically we install the themes in two ways. One is by copying